Hey guys.
You bring me down like avalanche. You bring me down. I know it's hard. I know you're stressed.
What's up? Today, yo, what's good? Today, get rid of this for now. What's good, yo? Today we are gonna do an oil change on the Yamaha R7. So, a couple things that are good to have. A nice little oil rag. I just lubed my chain, so I already got some stuff that I had to wipe up with one of these. Anyway, first thing we gotta do is take off this fairing here. Burp. Okay, where's my multi-tool? You know, I've been looking for my multi-tool for like 2 days now. No way, I put it back in here the whole time. That's crazy. All right, let's see how much we can get done right away. I'm already missing a push pin here. It's kind of a good thing. Saves me some time. So we have to take off this fairing. I'm missing a bolt already. That's crazy. Got one push pin. I was gonna say that's too easy. Too bad I can't get under this one. Oh my God, I got it. Oh my God, I never got one of these out. So easy. That was a relief. Okay, so we got this one off. Now we need to get to this one. The belly fairing. We do have, oh sweet, it's only hand tight. Dude, this is about to be the oilest easy chain. This is about to be the easiest oil change. So you take off your side fairing, everything's covered in chain lube. I just cleaned my bike and I got new tires. So when I did all that, I was like, hey, it'd be a good time to lube my chain. So I've already got oil all over my hands. How sick would it be to turbo the R7, chat? All right, so that's the first step. If you guys are wondering, anybody new here, want to learn how to do an oil change on a 2023 Yamaha R7, first thing you're gonna do is take off this fairing, that fairing. I'm getting low on coolant, halfway, still halfway there. All right, while I'm here, might as well clean this up a little from all that chain lube sliding up. What is this? Is this rust? Something. Oh man, everything is so greasy. What is this? Some type of air intake tube? I don't know what that is. I don't know shit about bikes or cars, chat. I'm a new guy. I'm learning. I know how to change my oil. So immediately a little bit cooler than your typical dad. This oil filter I did change on my last oil change. So again, we're not gonna change that out, that's fine. But I do wanna clean some stuff up here. This is dirty. Bagpipes from Baghdad. All right, so first step is done. Got my fairings off. Next step is to grab the torque wrench. Sorry my desk is messy. I've been super busy trying to edit these videos and get back ahead of schedule. I have been pretty behind. Okay, I believe this is what, 12, 16, bigger. That's the one. I love this Y-I-Y-E-I-E. I don't know. This was on Amazon, this little set, and I really actually like this set. So the next step is to open the garage door so that you can start your bike so that you don't get carbon monoxide poisoning, whatever. You're not breathing in exhaust fumes, right? Bike is in first gear. So if you don't know, the gear works like this. First gear is down, up would be second gear. But in this case, I went halfway, and in between first and second gear is neutral. So bike is in neutral. Go ahead, start it. So you want to run the bike for about 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. Look at these new tires. I've had the bike on stands since I got it. Been on one ride so far. All right, so we let the bike heat up for about 2 minutes. They say 2 to 5 minutes. I probably did 3. I'm trying to get some good angles for you, chat. So now we're gonna go ahead and loosen this, and I have an oil pan down here that will catch all of my oil. Shout out to Cycle Gear in Louisville. So I got it hand tight, and I'm gonna do the rest with my hands. You are going to get dirty. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, I did it without getting oil all over my hands, but yeah, look at how dark that oil is. Very, very, very dark. Nice and dark. Woo! Can you see that? Can you see that dark ass oil? Look at that. Oh yeah. So we're just gonna let it drain as much as we can. Let it sit for a bit. I've already done my fuel pump last oil change. Again, I already said that, but we're not gonna do that this time. And I actually have a new drain bolt with a new crush washer. If you guys don't know what a crush washer is, this is a crush washer. So this, in combination with a torque wrench that allows you to basically torque your bolts to spec, this absorbs the impact of the pressure of the bolt being tightened too hard. So what that means is this, if you tighten this bolt too hard into this, you can crack your entire oil reservoir, which would be a very bad scenario. You would have to replace the whole unit. So these crush washers help absorb some of the impact. It really helps when you're doing it by hand without a torque wrench to have this added security. But on top of that, having a torque wrench allows you to get it to the perfect spec, proper amount of pounds per square foot. So that being said, I don't remember which one of these is long and which one of these is short. I have two different size screws and I'm fucked because I don't remember which one went where. Anyway, I'm gonna take this oil off my hand a little bit here, and I'm gonna go get my new gold drain bolt that kind of matches like this gold accenting. So let's get up and do that. This might be the quickest freaking oil change in history, chat. So I have it right here. Boom. Oh, it's even got a gold crush washer. Boom, boom. Now we wait for all this god dang oil to come out. It's still coming out. You think I should flush it out with some clean oil? I wonder if that's a thing. I should also get my funnel. If I know where it is, if I can even find it. I have all my clothes in here. I just washed all my gear. Oh yeah, what is this? Oh, clear one. I don't see it. I don't want to put used gas before. Dang it, I'm gonna have to make a funnel. Chat, what do I make a funnel out of? All right, I guess I'm gonna use this. Is that crazy or not valid? Oh, it's still leaking. Damn, what's on there, eh? I don't want to scratch the gold. Just a little bit to help flush out that goo, you know? All right, that's looking clean coming out. Let's go ahead and stop her up. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way, but I am gonna get down to the required spec, which is 32 pounds. 0, 10, 30, 32. Tighten. It's a completely different size. It is. It's one smaller. Interesting. I don't love that. It's 2 smaller. 15. It's 3 smaller. 14. Why do I feel like that's plenty tight enough? I'm scared. Why is it not clicking? The crush washer looks crushed. So I'm just gonna stop right there. Shout out to Amazon. Let's see if going down another 10 changes anything. Yeah, that's sketchy. But we are good to go. So I can't believe I'm doing this with a paper towel roll. Goes 1, there goes nothing. Number 2. And then number 3, we're gonna do 3/4 of it. So it takes 3 of these guys. We're putting in Racing 4T 10W40 Advanced Full Synthetic Mobile 1, baby. I normally do Motul, so whatever. Today, we're just getting it done. Oh shit. Oh shit. I just got oil everywhere. Oops. That's probably gonna burn. Yeah, that sucks. Just got oil all over this bad boy. So if we see some smoking on the first ride, we're gonna know why. Hopefully it just burns off and we're good to go. I see some rust in here. I wonder how many pieces on my bike are starting to rust. Just from aftermarket bolts and stuff like that. Okay, so we got that all taken care of. Next up, seal these bad boys up. Get your lid out of the way. Put your gas, or your gas lid. Put your oil cap back on. Get all that old oil off. Use your cardboard to take a little monkey wrench on here, tighten that up. Oh, looks like I scraped the paint anyway. Got that little burr off so I don't clip my foot. Got some oil that fell into here. If we can get all that out. This is working. Cool. Next up, tools back. Belly fender first. This bolt goes here. And then next up, we have this fairing cover, which I only have this one and this one. So I'm gonna take this, we're gonna tighten this. We're gonna take this short one, because I think that's the one I need. We're gonna take the multi-tool, and we're just gonna tighten this back in. Now, we're missing this one, which I am willing to allow. I do wanna get some screws into this part, but, oh shit, this is coming out. You get back in there. Okay, that's good. I wanna put some screws in. Well, for the sake of this video, I'll come back to this another time. And for now, we will connect this to this. Pop these in. Hit this bitch with a screw. Bolt. Come around with this. I thought I put this one in. I put that one in. Well, this one, I really do want to secure. So we'll take this, tighten that up, and then finish putting our fairing bolts on. That feels stripped for some reason. I'm just gonna let it live its best life. Next up, we got this guy, and I feel like I just stripped that one too. And then a fancy push pin. And just like our oil is changed. So it's a little rough cleaning here. A little wipe down. Gotta get a bolt for that. And then we're gonna start it back up and check the levels. Woo, I have another one of them. Now we check oil level, and hopefully it goes down a little, because it is above the fill line right now. Too much oil? Damn, dude, I shouldn't have took the fairings off so quick, huh? Ay. We'll come out and check it in a bit. But, worst case, I just have to take the bolt off and reduce the oil. Just let some drip out real quick and should be good. But I'm gonna let it cool down and then we'll go from there. But, yeah, guys, that's how you change the oil in a Yamaha R7. 2023 model specifically. But I'm sure it's pretty relative to some bikes, aside from the fairing process. So I hope you guys took something away from this video, and I think those are scratches. They are. Might have to hit it with some touch-up paint. But anyway, hasn't gone down yet. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace.